You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or clean them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. Open the trunk. Open the interior access hatch. Then unscrew the two screws holding the textile trim using a socket wrench and a T27 Torx bit. Now remove the textile trim. Locate the plastic wing nuts. Then hold the lamp in place. Unscrew them by turning them counterclockwise. Pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally in line with the car. Remove the light bulb support board by separating the tabs on the holding studs. You can now access the light bulbs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. Reposition the light in its housing, pushing on it, but being careful not to force too much. Finish screwing the two holding wing nuts. Put the textile trim back in place. Then screw it back on. Close the access flap. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.